You have so much valuable content just waiting to reach a wider audience. With the algorithms changing every minute, video will always be prioritized now and in the future. And if there's a perfect time to start a YouTube channel, it is now. In this video, I will explain to you the benefits of starting a YouTube channel and how to start a YouTube channel the right way. So one thing you gotta understand is that YouTube is not for everyone. When it comes to YouTube content, you need to be either an educator or entertainer to succeed. So for all the business coaches, mentors and consultants out there, pay attention because this is for you. I have 5 valid reasons for why YouTube is a fantastic place for educators. Number 1, reaching a wider audience. By using YouTube, you have access to billions of potential customers. The more people you successfully reach, the more people you have to convert into customers. And YouTube is owned by Google. So by being on YouTube, your videos will end up in the Google search as well. Number 2, it's great for SEO. Just like any other social media optimization, you need to use targeted keywords in your video, in your title, in your script, in your description and video file as well. Benefit number 3, you can generate consistent leads. Slowly, you'll be known for the expert in your niche, and people will come to your channel to learn more. So with lead magnets, freebies and other goodies, you can direct your audience to your landing page or your website and convert them. Number 4, customers come to you. There's no need to spend hours on engagement. Your potential customers are out there searching on YouTube on how to fix their problems that your business can solve. So be the answer. Number 5, you have weekly content for all your social media channels. With strategic repurposing, you can take snippets from your video and post it on your IGTV, your story, your reel, and your Facebook, and all over the place. Now that you know the benefits of starting a YouTube channel, here's the juicy part. How to be successful. You work with me, of course. Kidding! It is definitely not easy to be a successful YouTuber. So the first thing that you need is to have valuable content. This is the most important part of being successful on YouTube. You need to make your content authentic and stand out from the crowd, because there is going to be competition. But if you're a business coach or mentor, this is probably gonna be easy for you. The next thing you need to do is to make your videos engaging for your audience to watch the video through. And that's the goal, right? I mean, what's the point of making a bunch of video that nobody is going to watch? And to make this happen, it is required some level of video editing skills. The next thing you need to do is to optimize your videos and channel. You need to do some keyword research. And you need to find the keywords that people are searching for, but with low competition. But there's more. To fully optimize your videos, you need captions, end screens, cards, description, and thumbnails. Which leads to the next point in this video. Thumbnails are so underrated by many. You want your thumbnails to stand out from the crowd, so the viewer chooses to click on your video before your competition. This can make or break. And it's also important to be consistent in the design so people can recognize your brand. So, now that you know how to start a YouTube channel and how to be successful, do what you do best. Provide that value, and I will take care of everything else. If you want to know more about how I can help you with this, send me a DM on Instagram or book a discovery call directly with me. Both are linked in the description below. See you later.